Hi, my name is David Jones of David Jones Marketing, and I'm back with another video. I am focused on the program that is the Inb.Network / A.I.Marketing program. And right now I am in the back office of one of my partners. And what I'm going to be focusing on in this video is I want to show you guys how to create your own marketing landing page. So the A.I. Marketing BackOffice gives you two options, either a personal landing page or the standard. I'm going to select the standard, and as you can see, it shows up here: standard, your personal assistant, 5 affiliate program, gift certificate, video gallery, your own video presentation, and then save. So what you're going to notice is that the layout of the landing page is actually seen here on the right, and all that you have to do basically, since I am logged into the back office of my colleague, all I need to do is click the box here for the personal assistant. All I have to do is click here, which is going to talk about the 5-minute affiliate program. All I have to do, well, the gift certificate section is clicked already. The video gallery section is clicked already. And then this is the information now that I am going to upload to the page. So I want to put in the first name. So we'll put in, this is Julissa Terrell Jones. We're going to upload a photo. And let me see here. I'm going to choose a photo here to upload. Let me see if this one is okay. It appears to be. I'm going to click save. Alright, so that photo is there. Then we are going to put an email address. And that email address. Alright, then we're going to put in a phone number. Alright. Then we want to put a little information about the person. So, hi, I am So after you've typed out the about section, you hit save, and that's it. I'm now going to copy the link. I'm going to copy the link here. All right, and after that, I'm going to come back to the my advertising, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open the link on another window so that you can see what the page looks like. So it's loading. Right, so the page is loaded. You'll see that it is in English. It tells you about MarketBot, earn up to 35% cash back without complications. There's a little 1 minute and 12-second video here giving a quick overview. As I scroll down, you're going to see here, hi, I am Julius Terrell Jones, and it has the little section that I wrote about my wife. Here's her picture. You can see her email, you can see her contact number, and then it goes in to tell you a bit about what is MarketBot. It's an AI technology of consumer behavior analysis that allows to predict future demand, gives you a little bit more why you can trust AI, shows you the different companies associated that use it, and tells you how it works 24/7 without holidays and weekends. You only need to fund your advertising budget, and this is showing you how you can earn a regular income. And that's what it is, guys. It explains the whole program, and best of all is that at the very beginning of this landing page, it brands you as the person who is the one that is sharing this, and that's it. There are also tutorial videos at the very bottom that persons can watch to learn a little more. So this is the landing page here that's the AI marketing allows you to create within your back office so that you can share this with your parties, so that all they would need to do then is sign up on this page and they're automatically coded to you. So this is it. That's all there is to it, guys. So thank you for watching, and this is how you create your AI marketing landing page in your back office. This has been David Jones of David Jones Marketing, signing out.